Hey you guys, Jesse here with Summit 4x4 Company. Listen, we're getting ready to do a really cool series called Did You Know? And so for the first Did You Know series, this video is gonna be on Did You Know? We've got a new shop. So come on, I'm gonna show you guys. So our new shop location here is at 420 Miller Valley Road in Prescott. Not too far from our original shop on Sheldon Street, really. It's a couple minute drive, super easy to find. So come on in. Inside here, we've got our showroom. We've got 4 different advisors up in here. We've got a couple offices in the back. The product and inventory that we have in here is constantly changing, changes with the season, kind of changes as new products come out. Try to have a little bit of something for everybody. So, all right, come on, show you some more. And over here, we've got a beautiful apparel wall. You guys want to come in and support. We've got hoodies, we've got flannels, we've got t-shirts, we've got hats, beanies, socks, cups, all sorts of stuff. So over here, we've got a little bit of a waiting room in here. We've got a big screen TV up here, always got some off-road videos and stuff going on, coffee, snacks, cool little place to hang out, read some magazines and relax while you're getting your vehicle worked on. So out here, we've got a total of 1.6 acres that we're on. The showroom that we were just in is about 2,000 square foot. Out here in the shop, between the main shop and the alignment bay, we've got about 10,000 square foot out here. So plenty of room for activities. This first bay that we're going to pass over here, this is our quick service bay. So one of the things we've really tried to improve on is being able to get vehicles in and out of here for quick service, like oil changes, rotations, balances. And so we're going to have a dedicated bay, dedicated technician, and online appointments to kind of make things a lot easier. So we've got a total of 8 2-post racks in here between 10,000 and 15,000 pound lifts. Again, the single bay for quick lube. On the other side over here, we've got 2 more 2-post parts department, kind of welding fabrication area. One of the other cool things of getting into a newer shop is you get to buy some new equipment. So we've got brand new Hunter tire changer and balancers. Over here, we did pick up some additional racks in here, and I'll show you guys over here on the other side. So these bays over here, we try to do some of the bigger projects over here. This XJ did a stroker motor, 1 tons, coilovers, long arms, cage in here. So you gotta have a little bit more room for activity. So we kind of bring that over into this area. Above me up here, we've got our parts department where we can store our stock and inventory as well as the customer's parts that are coming in. We've got a bit of a fab area over here. When we're not doing any fab work at the moment, sometimes it kind of just turns into some overflow stuff. Cool break room and tool room. And then right on out, here's the alignment bays. All right, you guys, so in here, we've got a brand new Hunter 4-post alignment rack. It's an 18,000 pound capacity, Hawkeye Elite software in here. Really excited to be able to have this thing, to be able to do all sorts of alignments on all sorts of rigs. We've got a second one over here as well. A little bit older of a Hunter rack, but it also has the Hawkeye Elite software in it. 7,000 pound capacity on this one, so it works real good for the Jeeps and light trucks. And then any of the bigger rigs on here we can get. So you guys got diesels, crew cabs, you guys got the dualies, any of that stuff, we can take care of the alignments in here for you guys as well. All right, so hey, thank you guys for coming along on the shop tour here, part of our very first Did You Know series. Definitely keep an eye out. We're gonna have a heck of a lot more, teach you guys all about Summit and what we can do here at the shop. Have a great day, you guys.